Ndongoi ya kyama kya Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka umuthi ni wavika chathini cha ulilikano wa muti ya Justice Kasanga mulwa na kila chatwaiwa musieni kwake kuye Lukenya aatianite na tongo Yingi alani seneta wa Makueni Dan Manzo, Speaker Douglas Mbilu, wakili Ndegwa Njiru na angi aingi. Kalonzo ni wanene ya maundu me kivathukan'yo makonetye silikali tamasi 10 makutwaiwa na alama makonetye President William Ruto utongoini wake maundu makonetye nzama yonyuvani na mepaka IEBC ndeto cia President ikonetye siavati maundu mame yao kutekwa kwa Akenya katewa maundu ange maingi. Joseph Kithekani wantumbanisya mauvo.
Aeni ya chathini cha 10 cha mbosi ya kumulika muruti ya Justice Kasanga mulwa kile chatwaiwa musi kwake Lukenya East kaundini ya Masaku. Kalonzo ni waendee utula muti uwani wa volisi kwa nthi ula withitu ikusiwa va Kenya ondu muna President Ruto kuendea kwa nanga unyanya wa nthi ya Kenya na nthi imwe sianza ainenga na ngelekanyo na kiko chao yumituki vala ikundi yimwe kuma nthi ya Sudan inetikililwe kulika va Kenya na kutanga silikali ingi ya keli uvitukanu na miao ya nthi isu aiweta itasiko itailite.
People are still angry. You can't appease them by driving around the streets of Nairobi, killing foreigners, inviting foreign rebels to the country, declaring parallel governments in this country. And then you see what has happened. The generals in Khartoum have now said no imports of Kenyan tea to that country. And this is a tea drinking country. See some of these, even in terms of diplomatic conduct, a messy situation. The state of the nation is actually a mess.
Ni wavothisya vasoneni wa President ulona umisie chumwani kithelu enda mbukani yake ya kimaendeo kaundini iluvi ya kwasya aneo masito mavike 10 meanane na miaka 10 la wailite Kusumbika. Aiweta mesile make tamate masio ingi aiweta walenio una wetie wa kunenga na masini ya usovya siavati milioni 1 unewe mama boga hathukume uyosu na moko make.
William is corrupting Chapati. He says his name is El Chapati or Chapo, El Chapo or something. I don't know how, it's a basically good idea to eat chapati. But why don't you give mamambogas in Kangemi, in Utawala, mamambogas in Madare to make those chapatis and give them a contract to supply to Toi Primary School, to other places. So confusion even then. And he says that he has been given 6 names. He's waiting for them to be 10 so that he can get his 10 years. I think he says, I think the mental health is a situation here. I think we have to check on the mental health of the chief executive of this country. That he thinks by giving him 10 names, and they are all very well elaborated, that translates to 10 years.
Yo weta enendira mano itwini silikali vala kwi matuku 23 mwei wa 3 mwaka muthelu maveni mbunge vinya wayo kwa kulika voma itomia vinya hola manengetwe ni katiba kanthi.
On the 25th of June last year, Parliament was impeached by the people of Kenya, exercising their right under Constitution 2010, a proper legacy handed over to us by Mzee Kibaki. And of course, those of us who are there, they say under Article 1, the sovereign power is vested in the Kenyan people, belongs to the Kenyan people. And the people can exercise it in 2 ways, either directly or through their elected representatives. Now, the elected representatives failed them by coming over this overtaxation and the burden and kila kitu.
Ndeto siakinisia kwa romboni wakili Ndegwa Njiru ulawetekana nthi onaikethwa yina katiba kasa uvitata ulotongwesi atena mituo misio isa kuendea vala umwe kati wa muika alamateketwe nyara Bernard Kavuli wenda Kalonzo etha kosa utongoi wa nthi emina siko seotekani wa nyara vyo va Kenya.
Even with the best constitution that we have, we still have abductions. Why? Because of the character of the individual. This young man is a survivor of the brutality and the impunity that is reigning in this country. I and His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka represented him in court when he had been abducted. If we had a good man, a man who knows what it means to respect the law, this young man would not have been abducted. And to me, if these congregations agrees with me, I would put His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka as the first bet for this country.
I survived the abduction. I didn't come home in a casket. God saved me. And we continue to fight for this country. We are very strong. We remain to be brave. God willing, I'm sure when Mheshimiwa Kalonzo takes over in 2027, we'll never hear about these things again.
Joseph Kiteka ngilivote vilingi wa mauvu Ndongoi TV.